Hi, it's me, K10, and today I had something to do. Oh no, it's Valentine's Day. That's right, and I need to make something to hold these chocolates in to give to my friend. Oh my gosh, what could I do to put these chocolates in and make a Valentine's Day treat? Wait a minute, I just got a clever idea for a crafternoon. We can make a heart-shaped basket for these chocolates and make it the most beautiful gift ever. Yes! So we're gonna need 2 pieces of construction paper to make this craft. So let me bring some options over here. We have pink, we have yellow, we have purple, we have orange, we have red, we have black, and we have blue to choose from. But I think I want to choose some very Valentine's Day colors. So I think I should choose pink because hearts are pink. And I think I might also choose red because hearts are red. I'll move this off to the side. Now, when we are doing this craft, we're gonna be doing something called weaving. So in order to do that, we have to stack both of our papers just like so. And then you're gonna fold them in half. Now this is very important, this part, is you need to cut from this bottom end. If you cut from here, the project doesn't work. I'll show you why. So let's take a marker and maybe I will pick another heart color. I like this color. It's kind of like that strawberry red.
Strawberries.
We're going to draw a big arch. And the arch has to go from the bottom of this side. So what we're gonna do is like this. There you go, there's our big arch. And we're gonna cut along this arch. And you'll see what we have pretty soon. Okay, now check it out. It also kind of looks like a little house for me, like a little door, but it's not just that. When you break it apart, you get 2 floppy things. And the idea is that we're gonna weave them together to make a heart. Oh, that's gonna be so lovely. All right, so first off, I'm just gonna trim a little bit of this, just make it a little bit more of that arch shape. I'm always cutting and then trimming because that's just kind of what you wind up doing. So the next thing we wanna do is we wanna cut 2 lines. And the line is gonna go to about here on there because you wanna cut the line off there so we can weave that heart together. So let me estimate that. I'm gonna cut right here. And we're gonna go all the way down here. This is a really impressive craft and it's really quick. You don't even need glue. So why do I even have my glue here? Well, I always have my craft supplies here. Okay, so you're gonna have 2 things that kind of look like this. Great. So now what we have to do is weave them together. Can you believe it? That's silly. Okay, so what you do to weave is you take one of these loops and you go in. Then you take that same loop and you thread this loop through. And then you take that loop and you go in. So what we're doing is weaving is just a pattern. And what we want to do now is the opposite. So we want the second one to go through. And then we're gonna go in. like so. And we're gonna go through. And I took a while to learn how to make these baskets. Might take some practice, but once you can do it, it's so fun. Okay, and you pull that through. This is looking really nice. So now we want to whittle this up all the way to the top that you can. And now the next one we have to do, we want it to look just like this top one. So we're gonna go through. Come on now. There we go. We're gonna go through. And this is gonna go in. And this one is gonna go like so. And if you've done the steps right, sometimes I've not done them right, but if you've done the steps right, when you open it up, you'll have a basket. Check that out. We made this whole basket with just 2 pieces of construction paper and some scissors. That is a very powerful craft. And now what we have to do to make it ready for Valentine's Day is fill it with chocolates. So we're gonna put them all in here. Maybe I can put them all in at once. Wow, check it out. It's our crafternoon creation. We made a basket with chocolates inside it for Valentine's Day. Not only is it sweet because chocolates are sweet, but it's sweet because you made it. And crafts are such a great gift to give, especially on Valentine's Day. Well, thank you for having another crafternoon with me, K10. Happy Valentine's Day.